In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Word document as an attachment using both Gmail and Yahoo Mail. This is a simple yet essential skill that can greatly enhance your email interactions, whether you're communicating professionally or personally. We'll begin by logging into your email account. For this demonstration, we'll focus on two of the most widely used webmail services, Gmail and Yahoo Mail. So, make sure you have your login information ready. If you're sending your document via Gmail, open your web browser and go to mail.google.com. Enter your username and password, then hit sign in. Similarly, if you're using Yahoo Mail, simply navigate to mail.yahoo.com and log in using your credentials. It's important to complete this step as it grants you access to all the wonderful features these platforms offer. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in the inbox. From here, the next logical action is to start drafting your message. To do this, locate the Compose button typically situated on the left-hand side of the page. Click on it to open a new email window where you can draft your message. With your new email open, it's time to attach that vital Word document. In the email window, find the Attach Files icon. It usually looks like a small paperclip, a universally recognized symbol for file attachments. Clicking this icon prompts a window to open, allowing you to browse your computer's files. Navigate your folders diligently until you locate the specific Word document you wish to send. Once you've found your file, click on it to select it. This confirms your choice, ensuring the correct document gets attached to your email. With the document highlighted, look for the Open or Attach button, usually positioned at the bottom right of the file browser window. Clicking this button securely attaches the Word document to your email. You should now see the file listed as an attachment in your email draft. Now that your file is successfully attached, let's move on to finalizing your message. Start by entering the recipient's email address in the To field. Double-check the spelling to avoid sending your important document to the wrong person. Adding a clear and concise subject line is equally crucial. It gives the recipient an immediate understanding of the email's purpose. With the recipient's address, subject line, and your drafted message in place, take a moment to review everything. Once you're content with how your email reads, press send. Congratulations, you've just attached and sent a Word document via email, regardless of whether you're using Gmail or Yahoo Mail. Mastering this process not only saves you time but also streamlines your communication efforts, making your digital interactions more efficient.